Exchange Controls and Automation Private Limited. I am Vivek Kumar. As per demand of our clients, we created a new product, sanitizer dispenser controller and the kit. So in our kit there is a diaphragm pump. This is the sensor, IR sensor, and this is simply pipe. Here the sanitizer bottle. Presently it is the water, but you can fill the sanitizer, hypochlorite or sodium hypochlorite or ethanol or any kind of alcoholic or non-alcoholic, both it will support. So what the kit required is a controller. There is the LCD optional, you can see screen, and one adapter. So these are the constituents of this sanitizer dispensing kit. So how it works we show. User come to hand near to the nozzle. There is the spray nozzle here. So now I bring my hand near to the nozzle, it will automatically start. So you can see the amount of liquid come, not very much, so user can sanitize his hand, and if want more, so this can be done like that, and it is done. So our client can fit in its body as per their requirement, in small, big or any kind of cabinet or container. It can be fitted. It requires an adapter, or it can also run on 12 volt DC battery. So this is our system. So thank you. We hope you will order us. Thank you.